And welcome back to the Stockbrokers Zambia LuSE 30th anniversary. On our fourth episode today, we're looking at the role of dealers and brokers on the LuSE. Our guest for today is Mr. Boniface Mwamba. Mr. Mwamba is a graduate of the Copperbelt University holding a Bachelor of Business Administration degree. He is also a CFA charter holder and one of the few Zambian CFA charter holders. He joined Stockbrokers Zambia in 2017 as a financial analyst specializing in corporate finance advisory services, valuations, brokerage research, and investment advisory. He is now manager of corporate finance at Stockbrokers Zambia and heads the corporate finance department, supervising a team of 3 analysts. Welcome to our podcast, Mr. Mwamba, and it is great to have you on today.
Thanks for having me.
The term dealer seems somewhat out of place when discussing the capital market and stock market in particular. Kindly explain what the term dealer means in the context of the capital market.
In the capital markets, a dealer is an entity or individual that actively buys and sells securities on their account. They operate as principals, meaning they own the securities before selling them to others. Dealers provide liquidity to the market by ensuring there are available buyers or sellers, which is crucial in maintaining market stability.
Similarly, what is a broker in terms of the capital market and the LuSE in particular?
First of all, you are a dealer first before you become a broker. In the Zambian context, you need to have a dealer's license before you can be a broker. Now, a broker, by contrast, is an intermediary who facilitates transactions on behalf of clients. Brokers act as agents and do not own the securities they trade. Instead, they connect buyers and sellers, earning a commission for these transactions. On the LuSE, brokers are vital, allowing investors to access the stock market and supporting price discovery and transparency.
And can you help us shed more light on how one becomes a dealer and how one becomes a broker?
Becoming a dealer or a broker typically requires registration with the Securities and Exchange Commission and meeting certain qualifications, such as specific industry exams that one has to sit for and pass, and financial requirements as well. Additionally, both must follow stringent ethical guidelines to maintain market integrity. Practical experience and a strong grasp of capital market principles essential for both roles.
What are the respective roles and responsibilities of dealers and brokers?
Dealers ensure liquidity by consistently providing bids and offers on securities. They may also hold inventory to buy and sell from, thus stabilizing the market. Brokers, meanwhile, focus on executing transactions for clients, providing advisory services, and ensuring the trades are carried out efficiently. Both are crucial in supporting investor access and maintaining market fluidity.
And how do dealers and brokers influence the market liquidity and investor confidence?
So dealers and brokers are fundamental in providing liquidity. Dealers by offering ready markets for securities, and brokers by connecting buyers and sellers. Their presence in the market helps ensure that transactions can be made swiftly, thereby encouraging investor participation and fostering trust in market operational efficiency.
Corporate finance or investment banking is at the core of what happens in the capital market. And you are the manager of corporate finance at Stockbrokers Zambia. Kindly explain to us what is the corporate finance and what is your role as manager of corporate finance at SBZ?
Corporate finance involves advising companies on financial strategies to achieve growth, improve, and unlock value for shareholders. These includes activities like mergers and acquisitions, raising capital, and restructuring. As the manager of corporate finance at Stockbrokers Zambia, I oversee a team that provides these advisory services, helping clients navigate complex financial decisions that impact their future growth and stability.
And are there any added value of corporate finance advisory services to listed companies and investors?
Corporate finance advisory services provide strategic insights that enable companies to access capital, optimize their financial structure, and enhance operational efficiency. For investors, these services ensure that listed companies are well positioned to create sustainable value, ultimately contributing to investor confidence and market attractiveness.
And what would you say are the recent developments and current trends affecting dealers and brokers in the Zambian capital market?
Recently, we have observed a greater focus on digitalization and automation, which is transforming trading processes and making transactions more efficient. There is also increased emphasis on regulatory compliance, which, while beneficial for transparency, imposes added responsibility on dealers and brokers to stay aligned with evolving standards.
And last but not the least, what is the future of corporate finance advisory services in Zambia?
The future for corporate finance in Zambia looks promising, especially with the increasing sophistication of the local market. We anticipate growth in areas like sustainable finance, driven by the global shift towards green investments. Additionally, as more Zambian companies seek international investments, there will be greater demand for advisory services that can support these cross-border transactions.
Thank you for coming on today, Mr. Mwamba. It was a pleasure having you.
Thank you very much for having me.
Today's quiz questions are as follows. What is a common misconception about the roles of dealers and brokers? What is the key function of dealers and brokers in corporate advisory? How do dealers and brokers affect market liquidity? To submit your responses and stand a chance to win first, second, and third place prizes, you can find the quiz link in our pinned Facebook posts, the link in the description. Thank you. Have a good day.